Inabashinala.
Inabashinala.
Your Highness, your son's madness is spiritual.
What?
In fact, he was made to stay mad forever.
Igwe.
Hey. Igwe. What? Hey.
Eh? 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 Igwe.
Please, my daughter. Is there nothing we can do?
Please.
It will be difficult. But there is only one solution.
I can do anything to make sure my son regains sanity.
Yes.
Please. I can divide my kingdom into 3 and give you a part. As long as you can make him regain his sanity.
For him to be healed completely, I have to journey to the land of the spirits to get a special help. But I'll need someone to accompany me.
I'll go with you. Yes.
Your Highness, you said I will be rewarded.
Yes! Yes, I swear by the throne of my fathers. Even if it entails dividing my kingdom into 3, I will do it. Please, just name your price and heal him. Please.
It's okay. I have to go. My mother will be worried.
When are we going to embark on the journey?
Yes.
Soon. But before then, you have to be prepared.
So brother.
Ha! Inabashinala. Inabashinala. Think on.
I have prepared both of you to embark on this journey to the land of the spirit. You shall go and return in peace. Do not forget everything that I have told you. As you can see, I would have gone with you, but I am weak. The gods of our land will guide and protect you. Go and return in peace. Go! Go!
Except I say so.
Please, sweet man. As you can see, we come in peace. Just allow us to.
You can cross here after resting with me. I'm not a dirty spirit.
I've come to show you the way. Come with me.
He is not your husband, the Igbo.
Resemblance spirit. Get out of our way.
Is it by force?
We come in peace. Here. I'm tired. Majesty, please endure. I know it's hard, but endure. Very soon we will get to the help. Let's continue. Just endure.
Your Majesty,
Ego,
have some food and drink from my pot of water. It gives energy, especially for people like you from far away.
Do not eat or drink anything. Don't stop me. Don't tell me not to eat the food. You can see I'm hungry and thirsty. Eat or drink anything. Please, Your Majesty, you have to be very careful. We're in the land of the spirits, and nothing here is real. Let us hurry and get out of here.
What do you want?
We seek the spiritual herbs so that we can cure the prince who was afflicted with madness.
Appease the spirits. Go there and pluck that herb. It is the spiritual tree that cures all forms of affliction.
Thank you very much.
Lolo, what is happening? What is... Can you hear me? Igwe looked here. No. Brought in a female herbalist that cured Igwe. Huh? What? Yes. Odunze. Why does Odunze want to step on my path all the time? Why won't Odunze want to concentrate on his household? Why? Odunze, why? Maduka, we are going to handle Odunze. If we don't, Odunze will spoil something for us. Yes. Maduka, is it not so? Aisha, we are going to handle Odunze. Yes. But I don't think Odunze is a problem. Because if Igwe goes down, Odunze will not have any role in the palace anymore. If Igwe dies, Odunze won't be in the palace. So it's not our problem.
Oh no. Lolo is right. Our plans are on course because the prince is still mad.
Yes. Okay. I think we should start making arrangements for the coronation. Immediately. We're going to make it a very successful coronation. I can't wait to be crowned. I can't wait. Igwe waiting. Igwe. Okay. This should not be. This should not be. You just have to be careful. Okay? Don't get overexcited.
I don't know how this people's journey will be. I'm so much touched. I don't know how they are.
Igwe, please. Must we talk about this every time we're together? Please, I want to visit my maternal home. Will you grant me that?
Look at them. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good. You're welcome. How has it been? I know. You made it. Oh, my daughter. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So,
where is the son? Bring him
is it
here.
that my son is going to get well?
Yes.
Going to regain his sanity? Guards! Bring the prince here. Bring him.
You're welcome.
Calm down, please.
I welcome you once again.
Thank you.
I called all of you here because something wonderful happened in this my family today. My son, the Prince Obi, who became mad mysteriously, has been healed, completely healed.
May God be praised.
He say, hey, however, nothing could have happened without the assistance of Ichi Odunze, who brought this female herbalist who now healed my son. Well, I made a promise that day, or that moment. So my people, here and now, I call you people to witness it, that I am about to fulfill that promise. So I want her to make her demands before all of you.
Yeah.
Your Highness and elders of Amaokwe Kingdom, I greet you all.
No.
You're welcome.
Honestly, I am very humbled by the Igwe's promises. And I am also very happy that Quincy here is finally healed and will take his rightful position in this palace. But Igwe, please, I want to beg you. Give me more time to think about this. And I promise you, I will give you an answer in the... I'll give you an answer in 4 market days.
4 market days?
Yes, Your Highness.
It's okay. It's okay by me. Yeah? But we are grateful. We are grateful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's your turn. You made it possible. You made it possible.
Hello. But that is true. That is very true, of course. It's just a question of... Oh, my daughter, thank you.
Thank you, Nai.
Marika. This is Colabot.
Marika, do you know I could not sleep last night because of what happened yesterday at the palace?
Oh no. Now that the prince is healed, I think our plans has to be changed.
How do you mean?
I think we can make use of one of your daughters, Asa or Nwegwu, as a bet for the prince. If the prince marries any of them, then we have unlimited access to the throne through them.
Marika, honestly, I never believed such a wonderful idea can come out of this your blockhead.
Oh no! I think I've told you several times never to undermine me. Eh?
But Marika, I have a problem. My problem is the return of that herbalist. The coming back of that herbalist in 4 market days.
But that's not our concern. She's coming to respond to Igwe's promise.
Marika, have you thought about what could be her answer when she comes back? That so-called herbalist is up to something else. She has eyes on the prince. She may not be interested in gifts or presents. She might request for the prince to marry her. And if that happens, it will deny us access to the throne.
Oh no, I never thought of this. Then we have to stop her. Oh no, we have to stop her.
Aye. Okay, we have to stop her. That cola.
No, go home with that one.
Okay, I should go with this one.
Okay, let us do this. We really have to stop her.
I asked him to give me time to think about it, so that both of us can put heads together and give them an answer.
Igwe has a good heart, but you have to be careful, my daughter.
I am careful. So tell me, what do you want me to request?
What is in your mind?
I don't know. I don't know.
You can make a request, but don't be greedy about it, my
dear. While observing the prince, I noticed he has the same mark that I have on my body.
The same type of mark you have on your body?
The same.
This is strange. Are you sure about this?
Yes, I am. That is the main reason I want to get close to them. I really want to know more about this man. Because like you said, it's strange.
Our daughters, we called you people here because we love you. And what we are about discussing with you is very important and should be held as a secret. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Highness.
The prince, whom we all know was mad, is held, and will be crowned the heir apparent to the throne in the next coronation. And he is expected to choose among you a queen.
Our daughters. What Her Majesty is saying is that we have to for one heart. One of you stands the chance of becoming the next queen of Amaokwe. Exactly. That is what we are saying. Emachiriko, you have to hold your destiny in your own hand. Do you understand that?
Yes, but... Papa, what are we supposed to do?
Yes, Papa, you have to tell us.
A stranger is about to take what belongs to one of you.
No, please, tell us. Which stranger?
That strange herbalist that hid the prince. Wants the prince to marry her. Are we going to allow a stranger to take what we worked for years to preserve you?
No. Impossible. Impossible.
The prince is expected to choose a queen amongst you if you play your part very well.
So, what it means is that all of you have to come together. Join your hands together. And make sure you stop that so-called herbalist.
Yes. Make sure you stop her. Yes. And don't hesitate to seek our advice or assistance if the need arises.
Yes.
We want to thank you for this wonderful information. You will hear of our exploits.
That's what is expected of you.
Yes, that is what it is. Yes, thank you.
Welcome, my children.
It's now time to take decision. Is there any of us that is not ready for this? Speak out now.
We are all ready.
Good.
It's only Ebere that is not here. And I don't know what her problem is.
Don't worry about Ebere. I'll handle her. Leave Ebere to me.
Good. Is there anyone here that is not ready to be the next queen of this kingdom?
No.
I want to be.
Listen, everyone. I want all of us here to be brave and courageous. We can fold our hands and watch a stranger take what rightly belongs to us just because he healed the pain.
And you know what? I think we should inform our fathers to fortify us with spiritual powers.
Knowing that that stranger has spiritual powers too. What do you think?
That's a good idea. I support the idea.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Let me see how she's going to come and prince away our own prince. Ebere, why didn't you attend our meeting?
Asa, please, I'm not interested in being part of the conspiracy to hurt that female herbalist. Shut your mouth! Shut it! You're just saying rubbish. What are you even saying? What do you know you're saying, Ebere? I don't even understand you at all.
Ebere, so you want this woman to come and get married to our prince? Is that what you want? Or I hate her?
Anyway, Asa, are you sure she desires the prince? I didn't see this one. What else would she desire if not the prince? Ebere, think! Make use of your brain. Think very fast.
Ebere, listen to me. If you don't join us in this, when we win, Babakwa.
Babakwa, make sure you leave this village because it will not contain us at all. Inam, let's go. Think. Ebere, think. Let's go.
Belongs to us. Which us? That food from us.
No. My daughter.
What is it? Why are you shouting? A bad dream.
My daughter, I am not pleased with you going to Onwuka.
Fine. Don't worry yourself, I'll be fine.
I don't want to worry you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to you. Yes. Nothing will happen to you. I just want to go there and see if I can understand that mark I saw on the prince's book. Because it's the same as mine. Don't worry. How you worry too much. You don't go.
What? Yeah. Ladies of Amaokwe, I am Mgbemele, son of Amaokwe, son of Okorondu. Omaba Zundaru, Lora Deleru Woka Barara Baraka Weke Jendo. When a crab dances at the seashores, it is obvious that it will end up at the fisherman's house. And the mystery behind the beauty of the spider web does not make it as a decoration to its prey, nor a gift for its predator. But an old woman does not get old in a dusted she's a constant day. Amanyoha! Osulam! Yakambri came and Goro Yemba! Mabogoro Boise! Amadia menem. Ahadam na leka bele. Hojo yazi. Oyazi. I am Mgbemele, the only mortal that has sexual intercourse with the water spirit without breaking her virginity. You all have been fortified and none of your foes can stand you. Go! I know when I way. Hey! Wait! That's a revolution you way. I know when I way. Amadio Hale, Oguma Hale. Osulewe. Aye! Osulewe.
is it? Eh? Why are you girls blocking my way?
Shut up! Shut your dirty mouth. I want us to believe you can actually take her rightfully belong to us.
Ask her! Ask her! I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand what? What don't you understand?
You will understand after we must have shown you how to understand.
Let's show her what we are talking about.
Let's go. Let's go.
My daughter, how did it go?
We finished her up. We ended her life. Yes. Yes, Papa, she's dead and gone.
Oh no, you need to see what happened. That power we acquired from Ugman.
I trust Ugumagana. Ugumagana never no come. Oh yeah, Ugumagana Takatabu. No, listen.
Begin to prepare yourself for the coronation.
Yes. Because on that day, I had the one of you must be the queen.
It's me. Please take your time. What's that? What's that? Papa is
Papa, you know because you have
Your Highness, we thank the gods that the prince was healed by that female herbalist.
The gods must have to be praised.
Yes, Your Highness, in that case, we have to go ahead to plan a very happy coronation.
You are right, you know. The coronation will give you a happy one.
Very good. Elders, now how do we go about this?
We have to get the whole of Amaokwe involved. What to see? Dikeh. Amaokwe. We have to get the whole Amaokwe involved. You see, our prince has to get the right from amongst our.
Yes, Amaokwe will be carried along. That is it.
That's a good idea. That's a very good idea. Now, no, you can go ahead and let the town crier inform the whole people. Let everybody get prepared.
And let me promise you, on that day that we shall choose,
I'm going to provide my son.
Yes. Thank you. Yes.
The gods have answered our prayer.
Yes. So let it be as we have discussed.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Odunze.
Igwe.
You may leave now. Tell her I really want to see her.
Yes, Your Highness.
Do you want any of the guards to accompany you?
No. There's no need. I'll be fine.
Just go well, eh? May the gods guide you on your way.
He said...
Abomination! Arrow!
Abomination! How do you mean abomination?
I was on my way with Agila to the river. They told us that the Ukwu River has dried up.
Hey! What?
I don't know.
Ukwu River?
Yes, no.
How can that be?
No, we doubted them, but we got there and saw it with our eyes. Hey! No, the Ukwu River has dried up.
Hey!
We're on our way to the Igwe's palace to report this. Nobody has ever seen or heard of anything like this before.
Are you sure of this?
We're going to
My people of Amaokwe, may I know the reason for your unhappy mood and this kind of demonstration.
Your Highness, evil has crept into Amaokwe. And the unthinkable has happened.
What is the unthinkable and the evil thing that has happened in Amaokwe?
Your Highness, the great Ukwu River has dried up.
What?
Yes, Your Highness.
When did that happen?
Igwe, we went to the river this morning to fetch water and discovered that the river has dried up.
No! It can't happen. That is impossible. It has never happened.
Your Highness, if it is about that, that is true. Very, very true. I'm aware that so many people have gone to the stream and confirmed that Ukwu is dried up.
Your Highness, I don't understand. This has never happened before.
Okay, my people, this is unthinkable indeed. This is unthinkable. But I want to advise everybody to please calm down. Let everybody calm down. My promise is that we are going to unravel the cause of this. Are you with me?
Yes.
Huh? Yes. God, go right now and bring Rungo Magana for me. Tell him that I need him in the palace immediately. Go! Everybody should calm down. Shall be well. Well, we know the
Ahambe, aham. Ahambe, ahambe, aham. Ahambe, aham. Ahambe, ahambe, aham. Omalagawe, ahambe, aham. Ahambe, ahambe, aham. Omalagawe, ahambe, aham. Ahambe, ahambe, aham. Aye. Your Highness, you sent for me.
Iyuku, the great river of Amaokwe, is dried up. In prayer of the gods. The reason for that.
Your Highness, there won't be need for that. I already inquired of the gods immediately I sensed the danger. And what did the gods say? The gods are silent.
No. Okumagana, you cannot say that. The gods cannot be silent. It's not possible. Because this kind of thing has never happened in the history of Amaokwe.
I know when the gods finally go mute, two things are involved. It is either they want to punish men for their evil deeds, or an inevitable event that will change life and destiny is on the way. The gods are silent, and no one can question them. Igwe, Anam. Mberele! Mberele! Mbere sinalu dana limbere baro potoko. Mberele!
Okumagala.
Mberele! Mbere sinalu dana limbere baro potoko. Hey, mwoke mberele! Mberele! Mbere sinalu dana limbere baro potoko.
The gods cannot be silent.
I curse this land. You people shall never know peace. Your animals shall die, and your crops shall be unfruitful and unproductive.
Ugo.
Papa, what is happening? Papa, we've been trying to harvest something here since morning that we came. We've not been able to get anything from this farmland. Papa, I am tired. I am tired. Please, this one is too much.
Papa, me too. Papa, I'm tired. Papa, we've been harvesting since morning, nothing to show for. Papa, I don't understand this kind of suffering. I'm tired.
You almost finished harvesting all the farmland and you have not gotten anything reasonable.
You've seen it, Papa.
What is the problem?
Papa, I think this crisis we are facing has something to do with that female herbalist.
Shut up your mouth! How can the death of ordinary stranger cause this kind of problem? It's not possible.
Papa, let's go. There's no need to continue harvesting. Let's just go.
Papa, look, we've been harvesting. Look at the only thing I was able to get. Look at. What are we going to use this thing for? Papa, me, I'm tired. Look at Ugo Mbiko.
This is very, very serious.
Odunze, I came to you because you are the only person that can convince Engr on this matter.
Ishe, I don't think Igwe will support this. Because our Igwe and Igwe of Nkwagu had agreement on this. And we all are witnesses.
It's your doing, sir. What do we do? Should we fold our hands as if nothing is happening? When our farm products and crops wither and decay? Iyubu River dried up. Our animals die. Even our people suffer thirst. Let us persuade Igwe to send emissaries to Nkwagu for them to forgive us, for our people to fetch water from their river.
It's okay. I've heard you.
Good.
I will present it to Igwe.
Very good. Imana. Ngwangwa. And I'll that you.
On again.
Okay, the who's quiet.
On again.
Tears, sorrow, weeping, agony shall never depart from this land.
Igwe, Your Highness, Igwe Onwuka refused to give our people access to Nkwagu River.
What? Why didn't you take time to explain to him the predicament our people found ourselves in?
Igwe, we did. But they said that Amaokwe people are troublesome.
What?
They don't want to share anything with us again.
Igwe, you need to see the way they disgraced us.
Hey.
They chased us out of their village.
They never allowed us to say anything. What an insult! What an insult, Your Highness!
Listen. These people don't know that the furthest market to one village is the nearest to another. Hey! Hey! No! We have to look for an alternative. We can't watch this calamity linger. We cannot!
Not at all!
No! No!
Igwe,
Eye of the gods, speak out!
Igwe, the gods have spoken. They have profound solution of the crisis ravaging our land.
What did the gods say? Speak out!
Igwe, the gods are angry. 5 virgins and 5 old-defied men are needed to appease the gods, and the crisis will stop. And the gods also said that the sacrifice will begin from the palace.
Now! Now! This is not possible. It won't happen.
No! We cannot sacrifice human beings. No human sacrifice whatsoever.
Igwe, I have spoken what the gods permit me to say. Ayara Hulemwe. Ayara Hulem. Ayara Hulem Waganeri. Ayawe.
Elders. It cannot happen. No!
No.
It cannot happen.
No.
We can never sacrifice human beings.
No. This is wonderful.
We can't make any human sacrifice.
Your Highness, here, our children are dying every day, and I am of the opinion that we should do what the gods require us to do. By performing this sacrifice and put a stop to this crisis.
No! I will never support human sacrifice. I will not. And moreover, I can never sacrifice my only son.
Never.
Said it here now.
Your Highness, let us not be sentimental about this matter.
But not.
Wait. Our main concern now is how to save Amaokwe.
Yes.
But not at the expense of my own child. Not at all. Even any other child of this community. If the gods cannot take any other sacrifice other than human. Elders, let all of us perish.
Better.
Yes.
Better, yes.
Your Highness. Let me talk to you, Your Highness. If you want to perish in this crisis, my very self, as you know of Amaokwe, I will not be part of that. I will not perish in this crisis. No! I have said mine. Let us perform this sacrifice and save Amaokwe.
Elders, let's not deliberate on this matter. Let's not discuss it again. I have spoken.
It's okay. What's going? Your Highness, these two men came to my house this morning, reporting to me about the sudden death of their sons. As a matter of fact, they came with the corpses of their sons. I tried the much I can to convince them that we are trying everything possible to handle the situation. But they didn't believe me. And they said they want to come and see you. I had to come with them because a serpent seen by one person turns a python overnight. That is why we are here, Your Highness.
My people of Amaokwe, it is very regrettable. Very regrettable that your loved ones die on daily basis. In fact, it is very painful. But you have to know one thing, that it is something that affects all the indigents of Amaokwe. It is said that when it affects the eye, it affects the nose. As no swimi oswanya. I want to promise you, we are looking into it to see that we stop this crisis in Amaokwe.
We are.
Please, let us eschew the pain, the bitterness.
You are not doing anything, Igwe. Igwe, why? Why have you refused to offer sacrifices as Onwuka recommended, Igwe? Igwe, why are you this selfish, Igwe?
Ajila, will you shut up and stop talking to Igwe in such manner?
No, Doze, why would I talk to him like that? And now, you said because it's not your son that is dead? As no so look at this Igwe Yoku.
My son Waka is
Igwe, look at my son Waka. Igwe, look at my son is dead.
Your Highness, are you happy now? Look at my son. Eh? I mean, in a way, so bad here.
Igwe, we have lost confidence in you.
Yes.
What are you saying?
Yes, Igwe.
Yes, Igwe. Unless you do something, we cease to recognize you as our Igwe. People have spoken.
Yes! Amuta, you! Even you, Amuta!
Yes, Ije! Yes! Let us go and bury our sons. I hear you, man. Let's go. Let's go. I hear you, man. Ozugon. That's okay. Don't know. That is okay.
I want to use this opportunity to sympathize with all of you. Over the death of your children since this crisis started. It is unfortunate. Our Igwe refused to perform the necessary sacrifices to the gods so that this crisis will cease. Though I am the Onowu of Amaokwe kingdom, but you all know it, that I cannot do otherwise. My powers are limited. Don't know. Hi.
My good people of Amaokwe. Nando. Kasi. Ndon. As you all know, Igwe, my husband, is weak. Very weak. Hey. He can't even say or do anything. And as it stands now, Uwaezuoke and Ishi has so brainwashed him that he now thinks and behaves like a woman. Like women, as a matter of fact. Tell me, my good people of Amaokwe, what will it cost him? What will it cost him to sacrifice a human being so that all this crisis can stop? We stop. So that all this crisis will stop. Tell me or no? I don't know. Nothing.
Is he waiting until the entire generation of Amaokwe is wiped off?
Oh.
Eh? No. The people of Amaokwe. Igwe has failed us.
Indeed. He has failed every one of us.
Igwe has failed us. And until an urgent decision is taken on this matter, let Onowu be our Igwe. Let him be our interim Igwe.
Yes, let him be our Igwe. Yes, Onowu. Be our Igwe. Onowu, please, we want this crisis to cease. We want it to stop. Onowu, you will be crowned during the coronation. Please lead us. Onowu, please.
This one, our children are dying.
Oh no, I don't
Lolo, accept it. Be our Igwe.
I should.
I will support you.
Yes, Onowu.
Amaokwe Quen.
Yeah.
Quen.
Yeah.
Quen.
Yeah.
Thank you. Who am I to say no to what majority of Amaokwe have said? It's okay. I have to say this to you. I promise I will never let you down. Never. And as for this crisis, it must stop. Lolo, Marga, This crisis must stop. I will never let you down. Hi. Don't know. Oh?
It's okay. Let's continue.
Ogumagala, the great one that dines with humans and the spirits, I greet you.
I greet you too, Onwuka of Amaokwe Kingdom.
To thank you for all the things you have been doing for me all this while. Yes. All my plans have been working perfectly well. Yes.
Oh no, I knew it would happen.
As I'm talking with you right now, the whole of Amaokwe people have decided to turn their back on Igwe. Guess what, Umaga? They said I should be leaving them. Yes. So, and that is why I have brought this discourse. Yes, have it. Just the beginning. Not just that. This is just the beginning. By the time I'm officially crowned during the coronation, formally as the king of Amaokwe, a lot of gifts will come your way. Portions of lands will be your portion.
Onwuka, two captains cannot pardon a king. It is either you or him in charge of Amaokwe.
Magala, I really don't understand this. I mean, how do you mean?
Oh no, use the opportunity wisely. Two cows cannot drink from the same bowl. They lock horns. Two cannot lead.
Magala, you're getting the whole thing wrong.
Use it.
Where's one? That two cannot lead. I want to.
Are you sure that they are coming? Eh? We have stayed here for long. Oh, look.
We are very sorry to have kept you waiting for a very long time. We're sorry about it.
We got worried that you won't come again.
Why won't we come? Come. Listen, Angela and Eko, I personally recommended both of you because I am convinced that you will never disappoint. Yes.
No. Go ahead and tell us what you want us to do. Eh? Want us to do? Yes.
Both of you are aware that two captains don't pardon a king. Good. You are also aware that two deadly birds don't perch on the same tree. No way. One must live. We want both of you to do this job. We want to use you to send Igwe to go and meet his ancestors immediately. Yes, that is your assignment.
Oh no, you have our support.
No. The next thing is play your role very well, and you will be rewarded. I tell you, if you play well, portions of lands, a lot of gifts. We are going to surprise you, people. Gifts. Let's go.
And it has to be tonight. I will personally lead you into the palace. Be very careful.
Fancha, finish them.
Careful.
Like she said, be very, very careful. And you're about to have one more. Good. Oh, let's go. Let's go now. Things are working out.
Exactly.
Young girl, I can't remember having any appointment with you to get me bushmeat.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I lied so that the guards will allow me to see you.
Why must you do a thing like that? Why?
Your Highness, your life and that of your family is in danger. I overheard Lolo and Onwuka instructing some men to go kill you, the prince and Nwokoye. Please, your Highness, you have to leave the palace before nightfall.
No, it can't happen. It can't be. It's not possible.
Your Highness, I saw them. I overheard everything. Please, Your Highness, I have told you, I'm leaving.
Father, please let's run away. The people of Amaokwe have turned against you.
My son, it's absurd. It's an abomination. It is not done that the sitting king, out of cowardice, will abandon his throne and run away. No! It's not done. I will live and die in Amaokwe.
May God forbid. Your Highness, my husband, please, let us leave. Listen to your son, your only child. Please.
Uwaezuoke, you may live with your son.
Hey.
Yes! Live with your son! I am not going anywhere. I will live, die, and be buried in Amaokwe. That is my heritage.
This is the much I can go with you people. Please.
Please, Father, come with us. I don't want anything to happen to you.
No. No, nothing will happen to me. Nothing.
Your Highness, please take good care of yourself. Just that we miss your love and care.
Please, take care of yourself too. Take care of our son.
I will. Just be careful. Be careful.
Father, take care of yourself. Let's go.
They're not in there. How do you mean? We couldn't find them in their chambers. What is the meaning of this? Hey, what is it?
Where's the great Quincy and young prince?
I saw them lifting his back.
They have escaped. But we must go after them. Follow me! Yes. Come with me.
Where did you hide them?
So it's true that you planned to kill all of us in this place?
Yes, you caused it. Uwaezuoke became your favorite because she gave you a son and you neglected me.
No, Lola. It's not as you think it.
Uwaezuoke, there's no need for further explanations. You have to die. You have to die. Eh? Now!
No.
Kill him!
Kill him!
Please! Oh!
It's okay. Lolo, Ebezna. It's okay. Elders, it is disheartening to be informed this morning that our king has joined his ancestors. Hey!
Igwe! Why did this crisis consume you?
Odunze, I also thought the king died as a result of this crisis. But the guards told me that he accompanied Uwaezuoke and the prince out of the palace yesterday.
Hi! Uwaezuoke, Prince Obi! They killed my husband and fled. They poisoned Uwaezuoke! They will never go scot-free from this crime. They will never go free.
Lolo, what did Igwe do to them that they killed him and fled?
Lolo, Lolo, elders, we should not bother ourselves with all those. We already have enough problems, enough challenges to contend with in Amaokwe. I think the best we can do for now is to arrange on how to commit the remains of our late king to the Mother Earth.
Hey!
Allo, Amaokwe.
All the people of Amaokwe, both old and young, at the village square tomorrow.
Yes, Uche. Let's Uche.
My good people of Amaokwe, you sent us on an errand and we came back yesterday. It wasn't an easy journey, but the gods led us to the right place. The chief priest instructed us to gather you here, and I'm expecting you will be with us shortly.
Your king was killed. And the people who killed them lives amongst you. Let them come out.
Animal.